back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. Today's job lead seems very easy and they are looking to move and hire very quickly. So we will not waste any time. We will dive on into all the juicy details. Just know if you want to apply, the link is down in the YouTube description box below. The company Supermove, they are on a mission to make moving faster, cheaper, and delightful for everyone. They are hiring a customer support specialist. Now, one thing to note, this is remote full-time. Because they do list the salary in US dollars, I am assuming this is in the US only, but they do not specify in the job listing, so you will have to reach out to them and ask. But they are basically just looking for someone to become a subject matter expert with all things Supermove. You'll work with customers to provide customer support through personalized emails, both inbound and outbound phone calls, and remote trainings if needed to provide them with a delightful experience. You'll just provide exceptional and empathetic support. They have different channels like email, live chat, and of course, phone. You'll leverage any resources they give you to help navigate, troubleshoot, escalate, and solve customer concerns or system issues. You'll balance your time between competing priorities, assisting customers, troubleshooting issues, and working on projects. So you do have to be time management and a multitasker. And they want you to be able to think outside of the box to also be able to develop creative support solutions for the customers. Now, they are looking for someone other than being a problem solver and a multitasker, someone who is curious and empathetic, someone who can seek to understand the full picture and look at the customer's point of view, someone who is acceptable, adaptable, relentless, and someone who is willing to run through walls to realize their vision. They are also looking for someone who has 1 to 2 years of experience in some kind of customer tech support role, but they have an entire training plan that they will follow through with, laid out for you. Expected outcomes within your first 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and after your 90 days. So it seems like they are fully going to train. This is very easy, just a customer service job. Best part about this is pay is very good for customer service. It ranges anywhere from $65,000 a year, and that's on the low starting end, all the way up to $80,000 a year. So if you have that customer service experience, please make sure you are negotiating that salary. They have it in the budget to pay all the way up to $80,000 a year. On top of that, they also offer a basic benefit package, including medical, dental, and vision. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.